For nearly half a century, the spacecraft known as Voyager 2 has been journeying through the vast, silent cosmic ocean beyond Earth. Since its launch in 1977, it has steadily drifted farther and farther from our planet, moving beyond the warmth and light of the Sun and into the cold, star-filled void of interstellar space. Built with the simple and fragile technology of the early 1970s, Voyager 2 was never designed to survive this long or travel so far. And yet it continues to send faint signals back to Earth, distant whispers from a lone traveler in the dark. Recently, however, it did more than whisper. It transmitted a strange and mysterious signal unlike anything ever recorded before. NASA detected this unexpected transmission coming from the black emptiness between the stars. It broke every known rule of space communication and didn't match any familiar cosmic pattern, sending shock waves through the scientific community. When decoded, the signal revealed a cosmic signature that challenged everything we thought we knew about the universe. Voyager 2's incredible journey began thanks to a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years. In the late 1960s, scientists realized that the four giant planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, would soon align in a way that allowed Voyager 2 to use a gravity to propel itself deeper into space through a method known as gravity assist. This grand-scale maneuver had never been attempted before, and without it, the spacecraft could not have reached the outer solar system. Remarkably, this historic trajectory was mapped by hand by a part-time NASA engineer. Voyager 2 was launched with just 69 kilobits of memory, less than a basic smartphone, and transmitted data with the power of a small household light bulb. No one expected it to leave the Sun's protective bubble, let alone still be functioning more than 46 years later. In 2018, Voyager 2 crossed a heliosphere, the invisible boundary marking the edge of the Sun's influence into interstellar space. Although Voyager 1 had crossed this boundary earlier, Voyager 2's journey revealed that the edge of the solar system was far more complex than previously imagined. As it ventured into this uncharted realm, Voyager 2 recorded dramatic and unexpected changes in radiation levels, magnetic fields, and plasma flows. These observations defied all current scientific models, revealing that a boundary between our solar system and the galaxy is not a clean divide, but a chaotic stormy frontier. Instead of a quiet edge, scientists discovered a turbulent zone filled with swirling magnetic storms and ghost-like radiation pulses. In one particularly baffling discovery, Voyager 2 entered a region of stable plasma that coincided with a rise in galactic radiation. While the magnetic field around it behaved in unpredictable ways, suggesting the presence of an invisible unknown force influencing the space environment. Powered by small plutonium generators that lose about 4 watts of energy each year, Voyager 2 has had many of its systems shut down to conserve power. Yet, instruments expected to fail long ago, like the cosmic ray detector, have continued to operate in the extreme conditions of deep space. Voyager 2 stands as a remarkable testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and resilience. It proves that even with limited tools and modest technology, we can reach the farthest frontiers of the cosmos. The mysterious data it continues to send back may one day rewrite our understanding of the galaxy, revealing that the edge of our solar system is not an empty calm, but complex and dynamic boundaries, shaped by forces we have yet to fully comprehend. It is a place of violent interaction where magnetic fields and plasma collide in unpredictable ways. The Sun's magnetic bubble, once thought to stretch far and strong, is twisted and compressed by galactic magnetic forces and cosmic winds that scientists are only beginning to understand. Voyager 2 has revealed that the Sun's influence fades much earlier than previously believed, reshaping how we see our place in the universe. Beyond the heliosphere, the spacecraft is exposed to raw cosmic radiation from ancient supernova explosions. These energetic particles travel across the galaxy at nearly the speed of light. And without the protection of the Sun's magnetic shield, Voyager 2 is left vulnerable. Galactic cosmic rays are not only dangerous to spacecraft electronics, but could also harm biological cells, posing a serious threat to any future human missions beyond this fragile boundary. Voyager 2 has shown us that deep space is far from empty. Instead, it's filled with deadly energy boasts and invisible hazards. Aboard Voyager 2 carries a golden record, a symbolic message from Earth to any intelligent life it may encounter. This record contains a collection of music, sounds, images, and greetings in 55 human languages, like a bottle drifting in the vast cosmic ocean carrying the essence of humanity. Recently, the spacecraft detected something extraordinary, a sharp, unexplained frequency spike lasting exactly 2.4 seconds. This was no ordinary interference. It was a repeating signal that echoed briefly through the dark, silent void before vanishing. At first, NASA considered a glitch or instrumentation error, but some engineers believed otherwise. One even described a signal as an intentional marker, perhaps a message from an unknown source. If Voyager 2, after nearly 5 decades, can still receive such anomalous signals that defy our current understanding, what other secrets might the universe be hiding? Voyager 2 has become far more than just a spacecraft. It is a timeless symbol of human curiosity, ambition, and a relentless desire to understand. Built by hand, programmed with early technology and guided by generations of scientists and engineers, it represents the perseverance and brilliance of humanity. Its survival is not due to advanced machinery, but to purpose, passion, and vision. Voyager 2 reminds us that exploration is not about dominance or riches. It is about discovery, wonder, and the search for meaning in the infinite. Nearly 50 years after its launch, it still raises questions no telescope on Earth can answer. From the coldest, darkest parts of the solar system where sunlight no longer reaches, Voyager 2 continues to whisper stories of courage and awe. It speaks from a place where silence is a norm. Yet, its voice breaks the cosmic quiet. The latest signal it sent was more than just a piece of data. It was a tremor, a hint that we may never fully understand the universe we live in. Perhaps that strange transmission wasn't a coincidence. Perhaps we were always meant to hear it.